Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Bianca, age 21, single and a full-time college student who's claimed as a dependent on her parents' tax return. Her parents provide the majority of her support. She's a dependent. In 2025, Bianca earned $16,100 in wages from a part-time job. She had no other income. Is she required to file a tax return? Well, it's very important to know which year we are in, 2025. And the reason it's important because we want to know what's the standard deduction for a single. It's $15,750. Now, if you're looking at this problem and we change the year, then you have to change the standard deduction because the standard deduction changes from year to year. So when you must file is when your income greater than your standard deduction. The threshold is $16,100 greater than the standard deduction, and the answer is yes. Therefore the answer is a yes. Now remember, if we change the data, if you're looking at this example and you're in the year 2027, look at the 2027 standard deduction. Maybe in the year 2027, I'm just guessing, maybe in the year 2027, the threshold is $18,000 for a single, the standard deduction. Therefore, she would not have to file for that year. So look at the year, look at the standard deduction. And if you're a CPA, on the CPA exam, they will not give questions like this. And if they do, they will give you the standard deduction for that particular year. For the enrolled agent, you have to know what year am I dealing with. And based on that year, you will determine whether she will need to file or not. What should you do now? Whether you are an enrolled agent, CPA exam candidate, accounting student, go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional lectures, MCQs, podcasts, resources, AI tools, like to explain the topic, explain the incorrect answer choice, and create additional MCQs. Invest in yourself. That's the best investment you can make, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.